Dear student, today we are discussing the class 10th level chapter and the chapter name is similarities. In this chapter, at first we are discussing some formula and after that we are discussing some important result of this chapter. At first we are discussing the formula one by one. The first formula is triple S, that is a side criteria of similarities, and the second formula is SAS, that is a side angle sides criteria to be a similar triangles, and the third is AA, there is the two angles property, there is the angle of two given triangles. Now after that we are discussing one by one three, then after some useful formula of these similarities, and now we are highlighting the useful result of our formula. First Pythagoras, then this type, and after that we are discussing this type triangle similarity property. Now at first we are discussing the triple S. Triple S means suppose this is the triangles, this is the two triangles, this is the ABC and this is the PQR. These two triangles are said to be similar triangles if the ratio, that is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. If the ratio of their side is always constant, then we can say these two triangles are the similar triangles by the property of triple S. And now we move to the second. In the second, suppose another two triangle XYZ and PQR. In this section, suppose two sides XY divided by PQ is equal to YZ by QR, and the angle YXZ is equal to angle QPR is the same. Then by the property of SAS we can say these two triangles, that is the XYZ and PQR, are the similar triangles. Now we are moved to the third formula of this chapter. Now we are discussing the third formula, that is the AA. Suppose a triangle ABC and another triangle PQR is a given, and angle of A is equal to angle of P, that is BAC is equal to QPR, and the angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Then we can say these two triangles are the similar triangle because of the angle C and R is automatically is equal, because of we know that the sum of the three angles is 180 for any kind of triangles. Now after completing 1, 2, 3 we are discussing some useful result. Now some useful result, at first we are discussing the Pythagoras. So Pythagoras, in this Pythagoras, this is the triangle ABC and this is a 90 degree. Then by the property we can say AC square is equal to AB square and BC square. If this is the H hypotenuse and this is the perpendicular and this is the base, so this is a perpendicular square and plus a base square. This is a useful result of similarity we are discussing here. Now, the second result we are discussing, suppose a triangles and this angle is 90 degree and put the name ABC. Now one perpendicular is drawn from the point B to AC, that is BD is perpendicular to AC. Now by the property of similarity we can say the triangle ABC and the triangle ABD is similar. The triangle ABC and triangle BCD is similar, and the triangle ABD and the triangle BCD is also similar. So these identities or this concept is useful in our exam. We have proved this formula according our given informations in class 10th level chapter. Now we are discussing the last and the most important useful result of this chapter, that is a similarities chapter. So for these three, ABC and DE, if the triangle is that types, then by using the property of similarity we can say the area of ABC and ADE, and we clear that these two triangles are the similar triangles. After similar triangles property we are using, and now we are using the similar triangle property, we can say area of these will be the same for their same direction side ratio. That is, if we take the triangle of ABC and the triangle of ADE, now at first we are discussing that science, the side of AB for the bigger triangle ABC, and then the same direction side AD is there. Similarly, if we take BC is there, then the same direction side DE is there. And similarly, if we take AC is a side for the bigger triangles, then AE is the same direction. This ratio is the same in all the times. Hope the given information and the example will help you to understand this chapter better. This video extend your knowledge about this chapter and help you to understand this chapter better. And dear student, subscribe the channels for the more information. And next day we are discussing the 11th level chapter in our channel.